Good morning, this is Larry McMillan with a market update on Monday, March 16th before the market opens. Things continue to get worse and worse. This morning we have a trading halt down 5% again in the S&P futures. Things looked, there isn't much that's trading right now. VIX futures are trading and SPY is trading. SPY recently traded down about 11%, so there's the first circuit breaker at -7%, then the next one at -13. Each is just a 15-minute trading halt. And then if the market trades down 20% on the day, it closes for the day. So it's only ever closed once in history. That was in October of 1997 when the Dow dropped 550 points, which at the time was the limit. As far as the indicators go, the S&P chart, of course, is very volatile, but still negative. Support doesn't seem to mean very much, although 2350 is still a number that people are watching because that was the low in December of 2018. Last Thursday, the futures traded down below 2400, not all the way to 2350, but that was in the night session. The equity-only put-call ratios are all negative. They're all moving substantially higher. We've seen the total put-call ratio now get into oversold territory, so eventually that will give a buy signal, but not yet. The equity-only put-call ratio on the SIBO has traded above 1 for 4 of the last 5 days, which is a huge change from where it's been the last 8 years. Occasionally we would see it above 1, rarely, but now we've seen it here for 4 of the last 5 days. So that's a very oversold condition as well. The breadth is terrible. Even with Friday's rally, it didn't really improve anything there. So the breadth oscillators are on sell signals and they're in deeply oversold territory. New highs are pretty much non-existent, so that's a negative indicator as well. One area that does have, keeps trying to give a buy signal is VIX on these spikes, but they're really not holding. And now this morning, again, it looks like VIX might trade up to a new high on this move. It got up to 77 on Friday before collapsing to 57 after President Trump's speech. The trend of VIX, though, is higher. That's negative as well. So overall, things still look very poor. The sell signals are in place everywhere. There's just a few buy signals sporadically, and they pretty much get squashed right away. We need to see at least one 2-day rally instead of just these afternoon spikes upwards. But for now, the VIX hedge SPY strategy is the one that's making us a lot of money. And we are having a full analysis of the market this afternoon on our website. If you would go there, optionstrategist.com, you can sign up for that. And then we will be explaining the VIX SPY hedge strategy this coming, I believe, Thursday. No, it might be Tuesday. Take a look at our website. That will be a paid webinar at a low price. Believe me, this strategy has made a lot of money. So what we're charging for the knowledge behind it is quite paltry. We're also having a Saturdays with Larry seminar this coming Saturday, March 21st, where we'll be discussing the market and then also having a seminar on option basics. So visit optionstrategist.com, catch up on all of our recent indicators, and take a look at the upcoming webinars tonight and then the paid one on VIX hedge SPY strategy. Thanks.